Nugent Hopkins, he got decked.
What a stop! Shoots and scores!
Drill him into the board.
What a stop!
Great save! He scores!
Scores! Tavares on his right, Riley on his left. Has a look around. Stops up to Tavares. Scores!
Simmons will get to him in center. Drill him into the boards. Oh, what a hit.
The spinning move from Marchand. Great save, Delia robbing McAvoy.
Second period. Stamkos sheds Cogliano, who went flying into the board. Stamkos gets it back. He shoots and scores.
And he now gets it free, and he's able to work it out of the zone. Penalty time up. Callahan comes up with it. Cuts it on goal. Scores! Brian Callahan!
Still has it, and then he gets absolutely flattened. 31 points the past 29 for him. Athanasiou in a goal, and he scores!
Here's MacKinnon. Got away. Wafello shoots and scores! Nathan MacKinnon!
He gives to Nieto. McAvoy wipes out Nieto.
Derek Ryan looking around. Control shoots. What a stop by Markstrom!
Nugent Hopkins, he got decked by Jack Johnson just as he let the shot fly. He's supported by Mark Stoney, coughed it up to Ferland. Tarasenko in front, scores! What a play! Michael Ferland backtracking, steals it, sets up Tarasenko.
Good hit there by Gudis. Robbed on a stop by Vasilevsky. Robbing Rust.
Here comes Tarasenko. He'll bust in a chance. He scores! It's a hat trick on Star Sunday for Vladimir Tarasenko. Here comes McDavid. He'll delay. What a stop by Murray! There was some room up top, but he never got this puck elevated.
Up to the high slot, knocked away, and it's lobbed ahead. Watch out, Kapanen! Another breakaway, shoots, scores! Kasperi Kapanen, cherry-picking twice tonight. This time, he's able to put the Leafs on top 1-0.